From consultants and designers to photographers and agencies, one challenge many professional and creative businesses face is getting paid consistently while keeping the client experience smooth and professional. One way to improve this is by offering a seamless checkout experience that makes it easy for clients to pay the moment they are ready. With Squarespace, payments can be built directly into your workflow, so clients can move from proposal or invoice to payment without friction. How you take payments can look a little different depending on how you work with clients. Pay links offer another flexible option. You can create and share a payment link for a service, deposit, or balance. This is especially helpful when working across email, text, or in-person conversations. Invoicing is a simple way to request payment for custom work or larger projects. You can send branded invoices that clearly outline services, terms, and costs, giving clients confidence and making it easy to complete payment. Deposits and payment plans can make higher-priced programs more accessible by allowing participants to split payments over time. Deposits help secure commitment upfront, while spreading out the remaining balance lowers the barrier to entry and makes it easier for more people to work with you. And once that's in place, payments can start to do more for your business. Recurring payments are useful for ongoing services like retainers, memberships, or monthly support. This creates more predictable revenue and reduces the need to manually follow up for each payment. Offering packages can also help increase revenue while simplifying the buying experience. Instead of selling one-off services, you can bundle sessions or projects together, encouraging clients to commit upfront. Flexibility is key when it comes to how clients pay. With support for credit cards, digital wallets, and ACH bank transfers, clients can choose the method that works best for them, making it easier to complete transactions quickly. Low processing fees also help you keep more of what you earn, especially as your business scales and transaction volume increases. When these tools work together, seamless checkout, flexible payment options, and automated billing, it becomes much easier to get paid on time while delivering a polished, professional client experience. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.